Join Jaja and I as we make green plantain porridge for breakfast. So Jaja, do you like plantain porridge?
Yes, I do. It's my favorite porridge. One of my favorites.
And this was the first time making it on your own, right?
Yes, it was. Actually, was it?
Yeah, I think it was.
Oh, yes, it was.
Making it on your own from scratch. You're cutting up the green plantains. And again, we're using green plantains, not ripe plantains. And so that's why they're so hearty, and there's so many great ingredients and nutritious aspects of this thing, which is why it's a good breakfast for children, for breastfeeding mamas, for pregnant women, for everyone.
Or if you're going through a sad breakup, instead of ice cream, you can eat porridge.
What you know about breakups, dude? So we're pouring this now in the thing after blending it with water, and not too long after it starts to thicken, we have to keep on stirring. Was it very hard to stir this?
I mean, it was very tiring, but if you don't stir, it'll become just like a lumpy. If you guys don't follow Julie Mango, she made a video, and then she made a video with the plantain porridge is all lumpy.
Right, and that was milk that we just added. Lumpy porridge is not a good thing. So we stir quite a bit.
You would get cancelled in a Jamaican home for that.
Completely cancelled. So we added vanilla, we added milk, we added, and now he's adding nutmeg, and we love to spice up our porridges, do we? Do you ever get bland porridges in this house?
No.
Because we don't do bland porridges, do we?
Yes.
And so this is some cinnamon. And I think we already had a bark of cinnamon in there, but that wasn't enough cinnamon for us. We had to go in for more.
Sweet. I want to get it good for the video. Everybody ever feel like me. Everybody ever feel like me. Yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody ever feel like me.
And now we're adding brown cane sugar, stirring that in. Now Himalayan pink salt, because salt makes it better. And just like that, we're ready to pour. This is a perfect Sunday morning, Saturday morning breakfast, or even weekday morning if you have a few extra minutes and you're not in a hurry. Especially in the cold weather or on a rainy day. But for us in the Caribbean, we enjoy porridge. An extra sprinkle of sugar, dusting of cinnamon, and then magic happens. Plantains are a really rich source of fiber, vitamins A, C, and B6. And the minerals magnesium and potassium. It's a hidden superfood that, well, maybe hidden to you, but we know about, right, in the Caribbean. Great stuff. Is also great to lower your blood pressure and promote cardiovascular health because it's so high in potassium. See you next time. Walk good and good eats.